Hello from FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show you where is located and how to change the cabin filter of Nissan Qashqai J11. That one is produced 2018. See, it's on the passenger side, and it's just behind the glove box. You see it, just pull it, that's it, that is the filter, the cabin filter. You have to take it out, just pull it out and it's coming out. After that, you have to be very careful when it's put the new filter in. Have to be careful with the directions of the filter. It have to be from outside to inside. You'll see the arrow on the old filter and the arrow on the new filter as well. They have to be in the same direction, from outside to inside direction. See it? You can see it here. Same with the new filter. When you put the new filter, you have to be careful not to smash it. You have to go in the proper way. With the fingers you have to feel where it's going inside, how it's going inside to go freely in, and when you press it, just press it very carefully, not to smash it. I see it's going in, have to be careful. Put the finger in on the top part and bottom part to see whether the filter is going properly, not to be smashed inside, because it won't work properly. And that's it. Put that plastic cover. And thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting our channel. Thank you again.